Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. There's good and then there's extraordinary. This CTS is a driving experience like no other. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, Ultra View Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, sport suspension, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.